Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you what is the difference between a journal entry and an expense. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in QuickBooks, just find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Now, once you are here in QuickBooks, journal entries and expenses are different in terms of the purpose that they serve in the recording financial transactions. Let's talk about the journal entry first because you can access the journal entry when you hover to the left side panel of your dashboard. Click on New and go to Other. So my interface might be different from the subscription plan that you have. And from here, just click on the journal entry. Alright, so here, a journal entry is a manual accounting transaction used to record adjustments, transfers, or other non-routine transactions. That means if you are comfortable, all right, working with accounting and payroll, you might want to go in the journal entry. You can rename this one something like you can name a journal number. You can have access to the category type. You can add a bank, cash and equivalents, and cost of sales, freight and delivery, and a lot more. Now, if you wanted to add another type of account here, you just choose the account type. Say, for example, it's going to be other expense. You can name that. You can also put some description right here. Now, you can, in the detail type, you can just put on maybe other expense and save and close. All right. Now, from here, you can do a lot more. You can, because they allow for detailed customization and flexibility in recording transactions compared to using the built-in forms like expenses or invoices. Now, journal entry in that sense are used for complex transactions like depreciation, accruals, reclassifications, and corrections. You can add lines if it's that not enough. You can clear a lines not here. You can add some memos and you can attach a supplemental file if that's needed. And from here, you can also import journal entries from another tool, like you can drag and drop a CSV file onto the grid or upload it to make creating journal entries faster, because they are used by accountants or experienced users who need to make specific adjustments to financial records. All right, so that's one thing. Now you have an option here. You can save and new, and you can save. Let's go to the expense category. So from here, just click on X. Let's leave it now. And again, just go to the left side panel of your dashboard. Click on New, and from here, go to the supplier section. Click on Expense. Now, expense is a transaction that involves the purchase of goods or services for the operation of the business. Now, in QuickBooks, expenses are typically recorded using forms such as checks right here. Maybe let's get another name right now. Let's go for Gina Han. And from the payment account, you can choose like bank, inventory, and a lot more. You can set the payment date right here and the payment method like cash, check, credit card, direct debit, and a lot more. Or this one. You can put some reference number if you wanted. You can search or manage tags. If you click on manage tags, you can create a tag right here. And click on Save. Click on X. Now it's the same process. Expenses are recorded directly against the specific expense accounts, such as utilities right here. Let's look for that. Or FX expenses, supplies or wages, and a lot more. Now you can have a detailed description for the day-to-day transactions like paying bills, purchasing inventory, or reimbursing employees for business related expenses. You can put the amount like from 1,000 to 20. There's a lot. And again, you can also add lines if if it's not enough. You can also clear lines, and it's the same thing. You can add memo, and you can add the supplemental information by just drag and dropping the files right here. And obviously these are the category. You can add like we did earlier. And for this one, you can just choose from the categories that you have, like maybe equipment rental. You can also put some description right here, or there's a lot that you can do. And of course, you can put the amount. And again, all you have to do is just save and close. All right, but if there's that, just leave it, close it. Now, in summary, as you can see, journal entries are for manual accounting entries used for adjustments and non-routine transactions. All right, so that's one thing about journal entries. While expenses are transactions involving the purchase of goods or services for the business's operation, recorded directly against expense accounts using a built-in forms here in QuickBooks. But again, the ultimate option for this is depending on your skill level, your comfortability using the software, and the needs and goals of the transactions. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.